Good morning, children. Today's lesson is Landscape of the Soul, chapter number 4 from your book Hornbill. The author is Nathalie Troveroy. Nathalie Troveroy. A wonderful old tale is told about the painter Wu Daoji. In ancient China, there was an amazing painter. His name was Wu Daoji, who lived in the 8th century. The century he lived in was the 8th century. His last painting was a landscape. What is landscape? A landscape means painting, a picture or a painting that shows a view of the countryside. A picture or a painting that shows a view of the countryside. In simple words, you can use this word for any painting that shows a view of the hills, mountains, seas, etc. Now, his last painting was a landscape commissioned by the Tang Emperor Xuanzong. The king of China that time was Tang Emperor Xuanzong. His name was Xuanzong. He had asked the painter, the artist Wu Daoji, to make a landscape to decorate a palace wall. The king or the emperor, you can say, wanted to decorate one of the walls of his palace with that painting. The master had hidden his work behind a screen. The main artist, the artist Wu Daoji, after making that landscape, had hidden it behind a screen. Means the painting was covered by a screen, so only the emperor would see it. This painting had been made to be seen only by the emperor and nobody else. Emperor. Nobody was allowed to see that painting. For a long while, the emperor admired the wonderful scene. The emperor came there, stood in front of the painting landscape and start looking at it wonderfully. The scene before him was a wonderful scene. What did he find in the landscape? He saw forests, he saw high mountains, he saw waterfalls, he saw clouds which were moving here and there in an immense sky. Immense means what? Very big, enormous. What did he see in the painting once again? He saw forests, high mountains, waterfalls, clouds moving here and there in an immense sky. Wu Daoji, the painter, the artist, had also painted some men on hilly paths which had hills. He had also shown some birds which were flying. These were the parts of that landscape which Wu Daoji, the artist, had made. Look, sire. Note the word sire. S-I-R-E. Sire. Sire is a respectful term of address for someone of high social status, especially a king or an emperor. Sire, a respectful word, a respectful form of address, a respectful form of address for someone of high social status, especially a king or an emperor. He used the word sire for the emperor. We call Maharaj in Hindi, said the painter. In this cave, at the foot of the mountain, dwells a spirit. The painter had shown in the cave at the foot of the mountain. The cave in the painting was at the foot of the mountain, and according to the painter of that, according to the artist of that landscape, there lived a spirit, soul there. Dwell means live. DWELL, dwell means live. He told the king that there lived a spirit in that cave at the foot of the mountain. The painter clapped his hands and the entrance to the cave opened. The painter clapped his hand, and what happened because of the clapping of his hands? The entrance to the cave in the painting, note it, opened. The inside is splendid beyond anything words can convey. Inside the cave, the scene was splendid, magnificent, very impressive, and no words, according to Wu Daoji, had power enough to describe the beauty that was inside the cave. The words were unable to convey. The inside is splendid beyond anything words can convey. Words, words had no power to convey the beauty that was inside. So the author has used the word splendid here. Please let me show your majesty the way. Now Wu Daoji, the chief artist, the artist you can see, he was the only artist, wanted to show His Majesty, his emperor, the way the painter entered the cave. There was an entrance. The painter entered the cave, got inside the cave, but the entrance closed behind him. But the moment he entered the cave, something happened. The entrance was closed. Entrance closed behind him, and before the astonished means what? Surprised, very surprised. Before the astonished emperor could move or utter a word, the painting had vanished from the wall. Before the king or the emperor, you can also use the word emperor, could say anything, or before he could move or do anything or say anything, the painting that landscape had disappeared from the wall. Not a trace of Wu Daoji's brush was left. Wu Daoji, who had made such a beautiful landscape, not a single mark of his brush was there on the wall. Every part of that painting had disappeared, and the artist was never seen again in this world. After that day, the artist could not be seen anywhere in this world. Thank you, children.